This video showcases the operation of Reed's Pump Stick Cordless Power Water Transfer Pump. This contractor-grade 15-gallon per-minute pump features a battery adapter plate system, which makes it compatible with different battery brands. The battery can be removed and replaced with ease. With a 4-amp-hour fully charged battery, the pump can run continuously for up to 1 hour. The pump will run until the area is cleared of liquid or the battery has discharged. To keep the hose connection secure, the pump stick uses magnets for fast, reliable links. The pump stick comes standard with a 2-foot hose, but a 4-foot and 7-foot hose are optional. Using hose extensions, the pump stick is capable of discharging liquids up to 12 feet above the water level. The pump stick ships with a sealed, water-resistant switch for safety, as well as a 6-inch comfort grip handle, or the user can add an optional 24-inch handle for a longer reach. The pump stick has a long, slim design, allowing it to fit into small cavities. The anodized aluminum body and impact-resistant plastic components add to the durability of the pump. Multiple screen and filter options can be selected to suit the job. The pump stick also has an easy-to-change replaceable motor to lessen downtime. Only run the pump while it is submerged in water. Running the pump dry will damage the water seal on the motor. After pumping is complete, turn the tool off to allow the liquid inside to drain out. Tip: the operator can prevent liquid backflow by running the pump while removing the pump. Quickly move the pump to an area where the liquid can be discharged. Then turn off the pump to allow remaining liquid to drain out. Pump maintenance. Be sure to inspect and hand clean the screens and filters to permit the impeller to run at optimum power. After use, flush with clean water before storage to prevent pump damage. Be sure to stow the battery in a dry area for best storage conditions. This concludes the operation of the pump stick. For more information, visit www.reedmfgco.com.